So let me show you step by step how to set password to Google Drive folder. So after you open the Google Drive like this, now you click on this My Drive. So here you'll be able to see all your folders. Then scroll to down and select the folder you want to set password to it. Here is the folder. Right click on the folder and then go to share. So click on the share again. So now click on this restricted and select this one with any link. So after you select this one, now you copy the link. After you copy the link, make sure this option is set as viewer. Click on done. So now you get the link. So now if you want to get the link for the second time, you right click, just go to this option, copy the link. After you copy the link, you go to this new, go to Google form. So after you open the Google form like this, so now you type in the welcome message for this one. I'll delete this one and type in something like this from this option. I'll delete this one. Welcome to folder. Just give the folder name, just something like this. Then you can type description if you want, like free tools folder. So after you type in description like this, then you click on this where it says option, and then you click on this multiple choice. You select this one, short answer. So you type in something like this, enter password to continue, or enter password to open. Then you can click on this option. Now if you want, you can type in something from this, so you can just turn on this. After you turn on this option, you click on this three dot and you select this one, response validation. So from this option, now you click on this option and select text. So now you type in your password in this option. My password is 2026. Then I'll type in a text 1AAA. So here is my password. So your password maximum is 8 numbers. That's 8 characters. So here it says custom text error. So now if the person type in something wrong, so it will give him this error, wrong password. Try again. Like this, try again. So now I'll click on this now, response. So go to the setting again. So scroll to down under the setting and click on this presentation. Click on this arrow under the presentation. Go to edit. So now you type in something like this, correct password. Correct password. Click here to open. To open folder. So correct password, click here to open the folder. Now I'll press enter from your keyboard and press in the link. So if the person type in the correct password, it will give him this message and it will give him the link for the folder like this one. So then you click on this save button. After you click on the save button, then you click on this publish. So you go to this publish again. So after you finish publishing like this one, so now you can click on this link button, this link section. So now you click on this short URL. So now here is the link. You click on the copy button. So now if you share this link with someone, the person has to enter the password that you gave him before the person can be able to access this folder. So let me give you example. If I go to this new tab in my browser, I'll go to incognito. I will paste in now the link. After I paste in the link like this, so now it will ask me now to type in the password. Here is I can see it says welcome to folder, free tools folder. That's the description. So here it says enter password to continue. So I'll type in my password now. So let's say I'll start by typing a wrong password and see how it works. So after I type in a wrong password like this, I will click on this submit button. So as you can see, it says wrong password, try again. So I'll just delete this one and write the correct password, 2026. That's it. Then AAAA. That's 4A. So I'll click on this submit button. So from there, as you can see, it says welcome to folder, correct password. Click here to open the folder. So if I click on this link, now it will open the folder for me. And that's it, guys, on how to set password to Google Drive folder. If this video helps, like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.